stillness, the clouds drift like breezes, thoughts like breezes whisper by. Endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space. Each shadow finds its quiet space. Of light, a tender trace. In the flow of light, a tender to this serene place. Let it go. Let it be, like a river rolling free, like a river rolling in the silence. You and I see the harmony of you and me. The stars align, they softly hum, telling secrets of where we're from. The star in the quiet, our hearts succumb, telling secrets eternal as the drum. Where we're from, glimmers dance on the ocean's crest. Our hearts stop, nature hums her song, no to rhythm. A lullaby to draw in rest. Glimmers dance, weary wander the ocean's crest. Let it go, let it be.